Hello again. So the last the video cut out. I ran out of recording time on my phone. It hits that 4.3 gig record limit in on Android, and it stops. And it doesn't tell me that it stops recording. So luckily, it didn't lose too much. I think I finished dimensioning this little cube, and then the bolts and the little washer that's on there. So yeah, that's it for that. So I think we're ready to go ahead, and we've got the schematic just in case we ever need to recreate this thing from scratch. We can get whatever core. I don't know what material this is, but we can get something pretty close. I mean, we know it switches up to the 50 kilohertz range, so something decently quick, and it'll work fine. It's just as a pulse transformer. So we got that. One thing we do need to check is make sure that these guys are good. We didn't see any anomalies. We verified that these were identical, and we verified that we got the right schematic. And go ahead and double check these guys real quick to make sure they're okay. So we're just going to check them and that they're not shorted together. And they're not. Now these ones look like they're in pretty good shape. As I say that, they are not. This one's bad, I think. Yep. So, even though it looks like it's in good shape, it has got somewhere along the outer edge we've lost. No longer have count. Ooh, I bet it's right there. It's got nicked right there. I bet it is broke. So we might have to. We're gonna have to rewind that one. Yeah, I bet that's where it's busted. Actually, we can check that. So what was that? What was the outer one? Yeah. Yep. Yep, no continuity the other side. So it's broke right there. So I guess we got two options. We can either just fix it right there, or we rewind it. So we'll set this one aside as being, this is the, make this the, we'll put it right there. This is the bad pile. Bad pile. So that guy's got an issue. Definitely gonna have to go back and fix him. And I was actually expecting this group to be good. And then anybody shorted? Nope. You shorted any of these? Nope. Nope. And yeah, so this guy's good. So add him to the good pile. Technically, did I ever check? Yeah, I did. I think we checked this one. Let me double check. Yeah, that one's good. And good. Okay, so those guys are good. Let's check this guy. He's good. And those are good. And that guy's good. So add him to the good pile. This guy's got a little browning on him, but I don't think it's, I think it's just collateral damage from when the gate driver board that he was in blew up. Got a lot of soot on it, but I don't think it actually went through the insulation or anything. So that guy's good. This is the one that I figured would be bad, because it's just got, I don't know, it looks like it might just be soot. I just got to clean them off, run some alcohol on them and see what it looks like. There's shorts. Yep, see, he's good. So the one that I expected to be bad was him. And instead I got a different one that's bad. So that's good. Huh. So all those guys are good. So it's a good pile. This guy's bad. So you can either, it's on the edge. Maybe I'll just fix it without having to redo the whole thing. Let me see how bad that looks. I don't actually see where it's broke. I mean, the wire is exposed. I don't think it's actually, is it not broke there? It's gotta be. Well, we could just rewind it. We have the technology, we have the cable. I think, yeah. Got roughly a bazillion feet of cable. Or maybe 100 feet. I don't know how full this is though. So we got some cable. We could rewind that. That'd be kind of a neat thing. Yeah. Let's just go ahead and do it. Why not? Why not indeed? So we want to keep the cable lengths the same, and we've got somebody to copy. So this is his buddy. We'll just unwind it because that'll give us the right cable length. Oh, I can add that to my sheet, like how long that cable is supposed to be. Yes, I like this idea. Okay, go crimp and poke. So, not for the squeamish here, we're going to pull them out. Yeah, you know, it'd be really awesome is if I had a crimp and poke tool, which I don't have. So, I'll just have to smush them in there. Yes. Oh, did I guess the wrong side? Oh, I guessed the wrong side. That's the side that's got the tape on it still. Okay, I might be able to salvage this. Yeah, this is the one that was glued down, so it looks like it took a chunk out of it when it came free. Or got really hot. Something exploded above it. There we go. Look at that, it even's got the, because of the glue they used. Yeah, I don't, tell me where everything's supposed to go. It's got a chunk. That's weird, these ones are coated. Wonder why they did that. I can double check my measurements, except it's a coated version. 37.38, yeah, 37. 16 millimeters tall, 16.5. Probably the coating takes up that a little bit. Inside 22.7. I might be wrong on that dimension, but this could be something different because it's coated. 7.25. I don't know. Close enough. But it's interesting to know. So how long is this? Well, this is an 8.5 by 11 sheet of paper, so we've got 11, 22, inches. Call it 24 inches because this isn't getting perfectly flat, so it's probably 24 inches worth of cable. So you can add that to here. So I've mixed metric and millimeters, so I bet if I put that into centimeters, it probably comes out to some nice round number, and that's what it actually is. So yeah. We need about 24 inches, so where'd that, oh, there it is. Move all the good people, good ones over there. Give it a little extra. What do we got? Ah, here we go. This will work. Oh, don't fall inside. Oh no! You have to rescue the end. Ah, almost lost that. It's like when you got packing tape and it rolls up on itself. Can't find the edge again. There we go. So, let's see. If we line up an end here. Try to stretch it out as much as possible. Looks like we need to get to about here. Perfect. Just cut this straight and that should be good. And then we need what, 5? Oh, maybe that was where we could probably find where the hole is. There's a hole right there too. So yeah, it just got beat up. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Double checking. This is 10 conductor. Is that what it said on the box? I don't remember. It looks like I got 2 5. See, that's what they probably did. See, you end up with 2, and you can make 2 coils. But we're going to use the one that's got the pin 1 marking on it. That's useful. So we can use this one to determine how far of a lead we need. Which side did I? There we go. We'll do the same thing they did. So we know it was glued down this direction. You know this is on the inside was this guy. And which side's pin 1? Pin 1 on this connector is there. Oh, that stuck to me. Okay, hold on. I'm gonna figure out which side's pin 1. Oh, why am I using this one? Let's use this one. It's easier. Okay. So this needs to stick out about yay far and go that way. Does that jive with you? Yep. So that would be, I want to put this together right. Pin 1 on here is going, that's the one that's on the top. So this would be the return path. And it would be like right there. Right? No, I got this backwards somehow. Cause theirs is coming down. Oh, there's this way. Okay, hold on. Pin 1 does go there. Okay, so pin 1 is the outside one, and it goes to pin 1 there, and that would be the equivalent of it when it's on the bottom right. So I got this on completely backwards. So this needs to go this way. So bottom right. Coming out though, so it would be this way. Okay, let me get this. So bottom right, coming out of the bottom, goes to pin 1. So that's like this. And is that long enough? So it's got to be that far. I got to go up by about the length of that. So we're going like this. We're now this tall, and that's pretty close. Why does that still not look great? No, they're coming out of the bottom. They have already done a loop by then. So I did have it right the first time. I want the top coming out. Yeah, okay, no, that's right. Because we're doing this one. Yeah, okay. So that's still correct. Just need to make sure that that's the right, close to the same length. And it kind of is. Let's move it a little bit more. Yeah, it's about the same now. Okay, so that's going the same way. Now we're going to wrap it this way. And then they go, which way do they go? They go to the left. So we're going to do this. Man, their wraps look so much better than mine. You must pull them pretty tight. Then, one last, we'll know how close I am because they should be pretty equal length. Oh, look at that. Perfect. Close enough. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Can you see that? Look at that. Okay. Got both them suckers in there. Now they've got like a little bit of tape on the end there. What do we got? We got some good old-fashioned electrical tape. What do we? Oh wait, there we go. I don't want this to unravel on me. Put a little clamp on here. You're gonna do that. Perfect. They do theirs. Oh, they tilt it over. And then they're the same length still? No, they do have one that's shorter than the other. Yeah, I probably shouldn't have cut the end off. I should have wrapped it and then cut the end off. Because it looks to me I need to, because they're bent over. I probably could, do I want to, yeah. What am I off by? So you squish it in by that much. So we'll do that. Yeah, how's that? Close enough, huh? Perfect. Well, not perfect, but close enough. They go in the same direction. They look the same. Same number of turns. Looks good to me. Okay. So I'm going to use this one as our example because it's got pin 1's going to where I want them to go here. So pin 1 comes in and it's on the top. So the top turn is pin 1 on the connector. So if we flip it this way, this guy right here goes to pin 1 on there. And so we can cheat. What the heck happened? Oh, I was using it to clean the soldering iron earlier. There you go, that'll make it easier. Okay, so pin 1 is the top of the connector, comes out of the top, and it goes to pin 1 there. So pin 1 comes out of the top, and this is going to be where it's tricky. They probably have some neat jig or something to do this for them, but I don't. So pin 1 comes in here, and now I gotta figure out how I'm gonna do the crimp and poke. Don't have a crimp and poke tool. Yeah, that's going to be interesting. Is that remotely close to the right size? No. No, I need something smaller. What do we got that's small that can do that? With a screwdriver. Fit. No, it's too wide. Might have to make a tool to do it. Yeah, actually I think I'm gonna have to go make a crimp and poke tool. I have to go look up what the end looks like and then see if I can make one. Because it pushes in here and there's two little blades in there and it pierces the insulation. And I don't have that tool. What's funny is I bet they have it at work. I wonder if I could just borrow it. But anyways, next video, we'll see what happens. Thanks for watching.